Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix the Discord game freeze issue. Open Google Chrome and search for Discord. Click on the first link and log into your Discord account. Click on the settings icon located at the bottom left corner. Navigate to voice and video and ensure all settings are configured correctly. Make sure hardware acceleration is toggled on. Open a new tab and search for Discord for PC. Go to the official website and download the latest version of Discord. Click on Download and then Start Download. Once the download is complete, go to your desktop and right-click on the Discord icon. Select Open File Location. Right-click on the Discord application and click on Properties. In the Properties window, check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and select your Windows version. Following these steps should help fix the game freeze issue on Discord. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.